In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a document from Schoology and then how to submit a PDF or a Word document to an assignment. So first you need to log into Schoology. Once you're in Schoology, you go to your class. So you click on courses, takes you to your class. So this is your high school service requirement log. So pretend your teacher has put this PDF on Schoology for you to download and do something with. So what you do is you click on the PDF. It's going to open like this. You can download it from here. So you have to download a PDF in order to do anything with it. You can't just start typing on it as it shows up here. So once it completely loads, I'm going to download it. Here it is. So I'm going to click download. And here it is. It is now downloaded. I'm going to save it to the right folder. So remember, we put all those folders in Google Drive earlier. We want to save this to our Google Drive. There's lots of places it can be saved, but Google Drive is the best. I'm going to go Save As, and then I'm just going to get into my tree here where I can find everything. And this is my Google Drive. And I go into my Google Drive, and I'm going to save it in, let's say that I save it in Leadership. Okay, so Leadership. I want to keep it named the same thing. That's fine. I can do that. Click Save. Now it's saved there. It is officially in my Google Drive. So the next step would be to go to your course. Now pretend you had to submit that PDF. You have to submit it. You have put that PDF in your Google Drive. Now, because I'm a teacher, I have two separate things on here. So what you'll do is you'll go straight here and click Submit Assignment. And you saved it to your Google Drive, so it's going to be in your Google Drive. So after you click Submit Assignment, this window will pop up. You're going to go to your Resources. You're going to click Apps. Because remember, we saved it in our Google Drive, so I'm going to click on Google Drive. My Google Drive shows up with everything that I have in it. So we made all these folders. All the folders are here. I saved it in my Leadership. So I'm going to go on LIA. And sometimes it has to refresh a little bit, so maybe it just needs to do that. There it is. Okay. I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to go Import, Import File. I'm going to wait to confirm that it did it. Always look over here to make sure that it says your assignment has been submitted. And that is how you submit a PDF. It's the exact same thing. As long as you save it to your Google Drive, everything will always show up.